NASA may have found an unexpected shortcut for its next lunar mission, and it all starts with a rover that was never meant to leave Earth. For years, this machine served as the test version of the Perseverance rover, driving around NASA's Mars yard in Pasadena, while engineers practiced commands and solved problems before sending instructions to the real rover on Mars. Now, that same rover is being considered for an entirely new job on the Moon. The rover is called PROMISE, short for Polar Rover for Observation, Mapping, and In Situ Exploration. Before getting its new name, it was known as Optimism and worked as a full-scale engineering model for Perseverance. It even includes parts from the older Curiosity test rover, giving it a collection of proven hardware that has already demonstrated years of reliable performance during Mars missions. PROMISE is about the size of a small car and weighs roughly 1 ton. It rides on 6 wheels using the same rocker-bogie suspension system that helped both Curiosity and Perseverance travel over rocky landscapes and steep terrain on Mars. It also features cameras mounted on a tall mast and a robotic arm for examining surfaces up close. Some of its scientific instruments would need upgrades to better study the Moon, especially for mapping resources and exploring permanently shadowed craters near the lunar South Pole. One of the biggest reasons NASA is interested in using PROMISE is its power source. Instead of relying on solar panels, it runs on a radioisotope power system that converts heat from plutonium-238 into electricity and warmth. That means it can keep operating through the Moon's 2-week-long nights and inside dark craters where sunlight never reaches. Those regions can drop below -200 degrees Celsius, but the steady heat from the generator helps keep the rover's systems working in those extreme conditions. NASA officials say this could make lunar exploration much more efficient. A nuclear-powered rover wouldn't have to stop and wait for sunlight or depend on charging stations. It could travel farther into challenging terrain and continue working almost non-stop. Since the rover already exists and is based on proven technology, NASA believes sending PROMISE to the Moon could save years of development time, while helping unlock some of the Moon's biggest mysteries.